From Pilot Edge 3.1, you can now use HTML fragments in your templates. So, an HTML fragment is a small piece of HTML, and in this template, I have a few examples of that. For example, you can see these lines here. They are HTML fragments. You can see the fragment over here. In the same way, this large text here is also an HTML fragment. Up in the left corner, you also see I'm using an HTML fragment to include an image in the template. And finally, down here we have a button. This button is for calculating tax and tips, so I can select the percentage of tax and tips from the radio buttons up here, type in the price of your meal and press calculate, and the JavaScript up in the corner here will calculate and populate the values into the graphic.